Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best soap nuts is probably one of the most eco-friendly and effective laundry detergents you can find, offering a natural, plant-based solution that's gentle on clothes, kind to sensitive skin, and completely biodegradable, making it a fantastic choice for environmentally conscious consumers seeking a sustainable alternative to harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances often found in conventional detergents. This video will explore everything you need to know about using soap nuts for laundry, from how to use them effectively to addressing common concerns and comparing them to other laundry solutions. Number 5. Soap Nuts 4 Pounds Organic. Say hello to a revolutionary way to clean your clothes. It's all natural, hypoallergenic, and incredibly effective. With this 4-pound bag, you'll get an incredible 960 loads of laundry. That's a lot of clean clothes for your money. These organic soap nuts are harvested from the Himalayas and processed right here in the USA. They're tough on dirt but gentle on fabrics. You also get an 18x concentrated liquid soap, perfect for travel or small loads. It's a fantastic bonus. For convenient wash bags, detailed instructions, and even a tote bag are included to make your laundry routine easier. It's gentle enough for delicates like silk and wool, yet powerful enough for everyday clothes and even cloth diapers. It's an award-winning product, chosen by many as the best organic laundry soap. Experience the difference. What we like? It's an incredibly cost-effective option with a huge number of washes. You also get a generous bonus, perfect for travel. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and economical choice that lasts, this is it. What people say. They're an eco-friendly and natural alternative to conventional detergents, effectively cleaning clothes while being gentle on the skin. They are gentle enough to wash my delicate silk lingerie, but also effective enough to wash my partner's sweaty work clothes from his outdoor job. They clean just as well as the whole nuts, most of them are whole anyway. Number 4. Greenwill Organic Soapberries. Experience the natural cleaning power of Greenwill Organic Soapberries. It's a 100% organic and cruelty-free laundry detergent, perfect for those seeking eco-friendly cleaning. This 6-ounce package provides many washes. Each soapberry is carefully inspected and packed in South Carolina. A reusable cotton wash bag is included for easy use in your washing machine. Simply add it to your laundry and let it work its magic. Our soapberries are carefully de-seeded by hand, ensuring a smooth and efficient cleaning process without the mess of seeds. Greenwill is committed to ethical sourcing. It's a fair trade and cruelty-free product, so you can feel good about your choice. Find more information on the box or visit our website. Our 24/7 customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions. What we like? This is a great option if you want to try soap nuts without a huge commitment. It's also ethically sourced and the seeds are already removed for convenience. If you value convenience and ethical sourcing, this is a good choice for you. What people say. I have been using this product on my laundry since February, and I am so pleased with how it is working. Because I launder almost exclusively with cold water, I used a recipe found at the My Plastic Free Life blog to make a liquid soap, so easy: boil water, remove from heat, and steep some soap nuts overnight, strain, and store liquid in refrigerator. Other major advantages of making liquid soap: no worries about berries falling out of the laundry bag, nothing to leave marks on clothes, I will never accidentally throw the berry bag in the dryer, and no need to figure out when the berries need to be replaced. Immediately I noticed my clothes were softer out of the dryer, and my skin has improved as well, less breakouts and irritation. The scent is subtle, but I add a squirt of Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap to the wash and a scoop of Nellie's laundry soda for good measure. I have accidentally dried the bag of soapberries along with my clothes, which reduces how often you can reuse them, but they're still good for 5 to 6 more washes and it does not discolor the clothes in the dryer. I have done about 20 loads now. On lighter soiled clothes, it does its job. After using 6 nuts for 6 loads per recommendation, I use another small cotton bag, my own, to add 6 new nuts, while still use the old nuts until they start to crumble. Because I can see that they are still in good shape after 6 loads. Number 3. Soap Nuts 4 ounces Organic. Say hello to a revolutionary way to clean your clothes. These soap nuts are all natural and incredibly effective, making laundry day a breeze. It's harvested from the Himalayas of India, ensuring the highest quality and purity. They're then processed right here in the USA. But that's not all. You'll also receive an 18x concentrated liquid soap nut, a reusable wash bag, and an informative booklet. It's a complete laundry system. These soap nuts are completely free of harmful chemicals, pesticides, and toxins. They're gentle on sensitive skin and perfect for all types of fabrics, including delicate items and cloth diapers. It leaves your laundry soft, clean, and naturally fresh smelling. Switch to soap nuts and experience the difference for yourself. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly choice, reducing your environmental impact. Make the switch to a cleaner, greener laundry routine today. What we like? It's a smaller, more manageable size, perfect for testing or travel. You also get a generous bonus, perfect for travel. If you want to try it before committing to a larger quantity, this is a great starting point. What people say. Nuts and bags worked great and I was able to get about 8 loads out of each bag, but it got really annoying have to hunt that little bag down in the wet laundry every time I changed out a load so I could do another right away. Liquid works great, I just use a 1/8 cup measure and put it in the soap dispenser. Clothes are just as clean as they were with the nuts, and for me at least this is a lot more convenient. I put a few of the berries in a cup of hot water to check them out. They actually made the water feel soapy. I washed my hands with the liquid and my hands felt clean. I used the liquid to wash off my slightly greasy stovetop, and used the same napkin to wash a mirror, and the mirror was spotless, no grease. So I went into the bathroom and I washed one side of my sink with water and a paper towel, and one side with the soapy liquid, and the soapy side won, hands down. This is my first time using these soap nuts and I'm really impressed. My laundry was clean, soft, and smelled nice. I didn't use any softener and my clothes were still soft, but you'll still get static cling overall though, 10/10. Number 2. Soap Nuts 2 pounds organic. Say hello to Soap Nuts, the all-natural solution for clean laundry. It's a sustainable choice that's gentle on your clothes and the planet. With this 2-pound bag, you'll get an incredible 480 washes. That's a lot of clean clothes for your money. These soap nuts are 100% organic and seedless, ensuring a pure and effective wash every time. No harsh chemicals, just nature's cleaning power. We've included 18 convenient travel bottles, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Perfect for trips and on-the-go laundry. This kit comes with everything you need to get started: 2 wash bags, an informative booklet, and a handy tote bag. It's ready to use right out of the box. Switch to Soap Nuts and discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry. You'll love the results and feel good about your choice. What we like? This offers a substantial number of washes at a great value. You also get a generous bonus, perfect for travel. If you need a large quantity for your laundry needs, this is the best option. What people say. The soap nuts will easily get rid all odors that aren't completely overwhelming. The nuts themselves have a mild, but noticeable smell to them. There may be a light scent of soap nuts on the clothing during the first wash when the smell is most powerful, but usually there is no scent whatsoever. My laundry items seem to look brighter. I am really surprised and impressed that the lint in the dryer screen is greatly reduced, going from completely covering the entire screen each load, when I use commercial detergent softeners, to only covering the bottom 1/4 of the screen. Sometimes there is barely any lint there at all, if I don't wash fluffy blankets or towels in with everything else. Number 1. Soap Nuts Berries Laundry Detergent. These laundry detergent berries are hand-picked from the Himalayan mountains, offering a natural and eco-friendly alternative to traditional detergents. They're tough on dirt and stains, but gentle on your clothes and the environment. It thoroughly removes dirt, stains, and odors without harsh chemicals or residues. The natural saponins gently lift away dirt while preserving your clothes' vibrant colors. These soap nuts are completely biodegradable and contain no added fragrances, fillers, or synthetics. It's safe for your family, pets, and the ecosystem. This detergent is a cost-effective and kind choice. They can be reused multiple times, saving you money and reducing waste. Plus, it's gentle enough for sensitive skin. It comes in a reusable burlap backpack and recycled cardboard, completely plastic-free. Even after use, they can be composted, minimizing your environmental impact. What we like? It comes in a reusable bag, reducing waste. It's also gentle on sensitive skin. If you are environmentally conscious and have sensitive skin, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The soap is created in the wash and dissolves with ease. I am able to reuse the soap nuts more than one time for washing, making it very economical. Broken or whole, they work the same way. As long as you have the brown shell bits, it does not matter how big or small the bits are, the cleaning agent is in that part, so do not worry, they are fine. Laundry comes out clean, fresh smelling, no perfume or fragrance residual smell. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.